Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to download ebooks through the app Overdrive. What you're going to need is your library card, and if you'd like to read the books through the Amazon Kindle app on either your phone or a tablet, you'll need an Amazon account. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is go into whatever your app store is. This should be the same process on either an iPhone, an iPad, an Android phone, or any other tablet, so long as you have an app store that supports Overdrive. So you're going to go into the app store and look for Overdrive. This is what the page should look like, and then where mine says open, yours should give you the option to install. Once the Overdrive app has been installed, you're going to open it up on your device. Now here you'll have the option to sign up or to sign in. Now if you have a library card at your local library, you're going to tap Sign In. Now along the top, it says Sign In using library card. Go ahead and select that option now. Now here's where you're going to select your individual library. For us, at the Riverside County Library System, we're going to type in RCLS and tap Go. Now you'll see here, these are different libraries in the Riverside County Library System. Go ahead and select the branch you usually use. Now from here you should have the option to put in your card number and your PIN. You'll find the card number on the back of your library card, and if you're using a Riverside County library card, your PIN should be the last 4 digits of your phone number. Alright, now we're signed into the Overdrive app. In the top left, you'll see 3 bars. Go ahead and tap those now. Now you'll see here a navigation page. Along the top it says My Libraries. If you have cards at other library branches that are not Riverside County, you could tap Add a Library, enter in your card information, and see what ebooks they have available. Right now mine says Los Angeles, Rancho Mirage, and Riverside County. If you were to tap each of these individually, you'd be redirected to that library's Overdrive page. Now below that you should see options that say Bookshelf, Account, Settings, and so on. These are different ways to manage your Overdrive account, and your bookshelf is where you're going to see books that you have checked out to you. For right now, I'm going to go back to My Libraries and tap on Riverside County Library System. You should be redirected to the Riverside County Overdrive homepage. Here you can see popular titles and other suggestions from Overdrive. Now back at the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar, a little bell, some books, and those 3 lines again. The bell is your notification page. This will let you know if a hold has come in for you, if one of your books is getting close to being due, and other information like that. This little stack of books here will redirect you to your loans, or in other words, anything that's currently checked out to you. You'll also be able to go to your holds from here to see if any of the books you're on a waitlist for are ready for you. And back at the top of the screen, on the right side this time, you'll see those 3 lines again. Here are some more options for searching for books, as well as managing your Riverside Overdrive account. Now we're going to search for a book. I'm going to go to Collections. Now here you'll see several options for ebooks and audiobooks. For right now, I'm going to go to the available ebooks so I can walk you through how to check out an ebook. Here on the results page, you'll see at the top of each book cover that it says Available in a little blue box. Other times, you may see a different colored box and it'll say Waitlist. This means that all copies of the book are currently checked out, but you can get on the waitlist and be one of the next people to read it. Alright, let's check out a book. I'm going to select the first book. Here's the information page for the book. As you scroll down, you'll see a large button that says Borrow. We're going to tap that now to check out the book. Now here you have the option for how long you'd like to check it out. Riverside County has a maximum of a 14-day checkout, Although if you think it'll take less time to read it, you can change that to 7 days. Once you've decided how long you want to borrow the book for, go ahead and tap Borrow. Success! The book has been checked out. Now I selected 7 days, so the book will be due for me on April 26th. Now we have 2 options. We can read now in our Kindle app or download an EPUB book. EPUB, if you don't know, is the general standard format for ebooks. Now we can read the ebook right in the Overdrive app. To do that, I'm going to tap Download EPUB Book. Go ahead and tap those 3 bars, and from there go to Bookshelf. You'll see here that the book we've checked out, Little Fires Everywhere, is sitting in our library. If you'd like to read the book, you can tap on it to open it. Now if you've checked the book out before, as I have, you'll be given this option to resume reading where you were before. In this case, I'm going to hit no, but if you were to hit yes, it would take you back to the last place you were. From here, you'll be able to read the book. If you tap on the screen, you'll bring up these other options. If you tap the little sun, you'll be able to change the lighting or brightness. For some people, reading on a bright white screen is uncomfortable. So this way, with a black background, it may be easier on some people's eyes. The large A and the small a will allow you to change the font size and even the font style if a particular text is uncomfortable. And the final wheel will provide you with other settings. Now let's go back to our library by hitting those 3 bars in the upper left corner and tapping Bookshelf. Now I'm going to walk you through how you can borrow an ebook and read it in your Kindle app. This can be more comfortable for some people who are frequent Kindle users. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the Riverside County page, and we're going to search for a new book. This time I'll go to Top Mystery Reads. Here you can see what I was talking about earlier with the mentioning of a wait list, and instead of it being Borrow at the bottom, it'll say Place a Hold. Let's go to Filters at the top. And here you'll see an option for availability. If you tap Available Now, it'll filter out anything that requires a wait list, and you'll be able to check out a book right away. Let's hit Borrow. Borrow one more time to confirm it. Alright, this ebook has been checked out to me. Now, instead of tapping Download EPUB Book, we're going to read with Kindle. When this page pops up, you're going to want to sign into your Amazon account, which can be made for free on their website. You're also going to want to download and sign into the Kindle app on your device. The process should be the same as finding the Overdrive app in whatever your app store is. Go ahead and sign into your Amazon account now. Now that you're signed into your account, you should be redirected to a page like this, with a big button that says Get Your Library Book. Now if you use both an app on your device and an actual Kindle, you'll have the option to Deliver to Kindle down here. You'll want to make sure that you select whichever device you want this ebook sent to. Once you know which device you're sending it to, tap Get Library Book. Alright, the book has been delivered to my Kindle app. Go ahead and tap that button that says Read Now in Kindle app. This will take you right from Overdrive to your Kindle app. Here, you'll see your library of Kindle books, as well as the first one in line being your recent checkout. From here, you can open it up as you would any other Kindle book and start reading. Now the great thing about ebooks is that there are no late fees because they automatically check themselves in once the due date comes up. If you'd like to check a book in early, you can go to your bookshelf and hold down your finger on the book that you'd like to return. There should be an option for returning it to the library. Tap that, return, and there you go. Your title has been returned to the library. I I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you have any questions, please feel free to call, email, or live chat with your library support team. Happy reading!